This familiarization video has been developed to help trained operators of powered access equipment understand the general safety and operating features of this machine. While every effort is made to ensure that the information provided is accurate and up to date, Nationwide Platforms accepts no liability for reliance on the contents of this video, which has been produced for guidance only. It is not intended to replace the manufacturer's manual. This machine is an iPath Category 3A Mobile Elevating Work Platform, or MEWP for short. If you do not hold this category license, then you should consult your employer. Do not operate this machine. Operator responsibilities. Before using the machine, please ensure that the machine has an up-to-date thorough examination. It is a mandatory requirement that a pre-use check is completed. This should include a full function check of all controls, including the emergency lowering controls. Please refer to the machine warning decals and operator's manual before use. Ground controls. The engine can be started from the ground control, pulling the emergency stop out, and turning the key switch to the ground position. If the engine is cold, the heater plug membrane switch should be pressed and held for approximately 7 seconds, released, and the start switch pressed. Once the engine has started, the switch must be released. The lift and lower functions can be operated by holding the function enable button and simultaneously pressing the lift lower button. In the event that the engine does not start, the scissor pack can be lowered using battery power by holding the emergency lowering function enable button and pressing the emergency lowering button. Platform controls. To operate this machine from the platform and make sure the ground emergency stop is pulled out, turn the ground control key switch to the platform position, enter the platform. Pull out the emergency stop and confirm the system LED is green. Press and hold the heater switch before holding down the starter switch until the engine starts. Once the machine is running, you will now be able to operate the desired function. You can select high or low RPM by pressing the engine speed select button. To raise or lower the platform, press and hold the lift and lower enable button, then use the rocker switch in the desired direction. Drive controls. The machine is fitted with a four-wheel drive high-torque drive system. To operate, select the drive option to toggle between high-speed drive and high-torque drive. The colour-coded arrows on the platform decal correspond to similar arrow decals on the machine chassis. Be sure to check the arrows on the chassis before using the drive or steer functions. Once the machine is elevated, the drive speed is automatically reduced to the elevated drive speed. Outriggers. The machine is fitted with outriggers. These are for levelling and stabilising the machine. Before deploying or retracting the outriggers, visually check that the area around each outrigger is clear and suitable to support the machine. The machine is fitted with an auto levelling system, which should be the preferred option to use. To operate, press and hold the auto level button and activate the up-down rocker switch in the down position. The outriggers extend and level the machine. A beep will sound when the machine is level. The outriggers can be lowered by using the manual option when required by the operator. To do this, press and hold the desired outrigger buttons, then operate the rocker switch. To assist the operator with levelling, the machine is fitted with a spirit level. Overload warning. The machine is fitted with an overload protection device that once activated will sound an alarm and trigger the red overload indicator light. All of the scissor lift's movement functions will be deactivated if the platform weight limit is exceeded. Once the weight from the platform is removed, push in and pull out the emergency stop. If the platform is overloaded, the light will continue to flash. For this information, refer to the Safe Working Load decal, the operator's manual, or the manufacturer's data plate. Tilt alarm. The machine is fitted with a tilt alarm, which will sound only when the machine is on a slope that exceeds its safe operating angle. If the tilt alarm sounds when the platform is raised, the machine not level indicator light will come on and the platform function in one or both directions will be disabled. If the tilt alarm sounds when the platform is raised, lower the platform immediately. Once fully stowed, move the machine to a level surface before raising the platform again. Do not depend on the tilt alarm as a level indicator. Extendable decks. To extend and retract the platform, lift the platform extension lock handle to the horizontal position. Push the platform extension lock handle to extend the platform to the desired position. Lower the platform extension lock handle. Emergency lowering. In the unlikely event that the operator is incapacitated or the engine will not start when at height, the scissor pack can be lowered using the auxiliary controls. To lower the platform, first check that the deck extensions are not obstructed from lowering. Turn the key to the ground position and ensure that the emergency stop is in the out position. Press and hold the emergency lowering enable switch whilst simultaneously pressing the auxiliary lower function. Nationwide Platforms has produced emergency lowering plans for this make and model of machine. These plans can be viewed and downloaded from nationwideplatforms.co.uk or scan the QR code on the machine. Emergency recovery should be practiced using these plans or by using the information found on the operator's manual. Securing the machine. Park the machine in a secure designated location and remove the key. Push the ground emergency stop button in. Lifting and point loading. For the machine unladen weight or point loadings, refer to the manufacturer's information plate or operator's manual. Thank you for watching this familiarisation video. For technical support, please contact 0845 745 0000 and select option 2. Please ensure you have your machine serial number and E-code to hand when calling. These can be found on the Nationwide Platforms data plate which is fitted to your machine.